It only takes a few minutes to take your front map lights from dim and dingy to bright and beautiful with our new CREE LED front map light upgrades. Hey guys, Nick here from F150LEDs.com. Today we're very proud to be introducing you to our brand new CREE XPG front map light boards. Now these lights are going to be instant upgrades for your 21 and up F-150 or 23 and up Ford Super Duty trucks. They're very easy to install. They're going to provide much more light plus a higher quality light on the CRI or color rendering index scale. So what that means is not only are you going to get more light, but you're going to be getting more usable and perceptible light. So it's an instant upgrade over those dim and dingy factory lights. The installation is easy. Plus, if you're looking for some further customization, not only are you getting the option of this pure diamond white light, but you can go colors red and blue as well if you're looking for that. Our new CREE front map kits are an excellent match to our rear CREE dome light kits as well, so that you can upgrade the entire interior of your Ford truck. Again, the installation is easy. We're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we need to do is pull our overhead assembly down away from our headliner. So we're going to be using a tool from the F150 LEDs installation toolkit, and we're just going to pry down. There's some alligator clips, two here at the front, there's some here in the rear as well. So we're just going to insert our tool and then kind of twist it so the alligator clip will release on both sides, just like this. And then once these clips release, it's going to hang down a little bit, but there's some connectors connecting to our lights that kind of hang on to it. Let's see. Like that. Now, your overhead assembly might be different, so depending on the package of your truck, you may not have auxiliary switches, or you may not have controls for a moonroof, that kind of thing, so you'll have less connectors than you see here. But we wanted to show it to you on a model with all the connectors. So you won't be surprised by any. You'll either have less connectors or this many. So once you get this assembly down, you'll be able to pull these connectors away. Now that we've got our assembly pulled from the headliner, we'll be able to place it face down here on our mat, and we need to remove this protective cover. So there's 6 Torx 20 bolts here that we're going to remove, and that will allow us to flip this cover away and access the factory light that we're going to be replacing. With our 6 Torx 20 bolts removed, we'll be able to pull up and flip this protective cover over. And this is going to now expose this factory board that we need to replace. So we're going to take our Torx 10 screwdriver. We're going to remove these 6 bolts on this board. Now that we have our 6 bolts removed, we'll be able to just pull right up on this factory board. And then we're going to take our new CREE LED board and put it right back into place. You'll notice that there's some plastic tabs here, so you'll line that up. And then the board will just set right back into place where the factory one was. We'll set that aside. Now we can repeat the process. So installing those 6 same screws back into place. Now that our new CREE LED board is installed, now we can flip our cover here back into place and reinstall our 6 Torx 20 screws. Now we're going to reinstall our assembly, and we're going to start with making all our connections. And then once we've done that, we'll kind of slide the front end first and then push up on those alligator clips. And that's it. So that's all there is to installing our new CREE LED front map lights on your 21 and up F-150 or 23 and up Ford Super Duty truck. They're an excellent upgrade. The lights are much brighter. Also, the light is a much higher quality light, and we guarantee that you're gonna love them. You can check them out right now at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products made specifically for your Ford truck. Check us out at F150LEDs.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. Thanks, guys. We can't wait to serve you soon.